Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be working with LED lights, and this is a first look at a brand new light for me. I think it's a brand new light on the market. This is the Growstar light. This is the Growstar 1200 watt, and it is a beautiful light, man. I just unboxed it. You guys have seen unboxing videos before. There's no need to take it out of the package and look at the instructions and stuff like that. So let's just get right to the light itself. First off, love the logo right into it, Growstar, so that's really cool. I like this black. I've had a lot of white lights lately, and some other oddball colors, but black is nice and sleek. So this is the larger model. They have two models. This one is a 1200 watt, 4 fans on it, keeping everything nice and cool. One of the really cool things about this, and it's a newer technology, these are equipped with 4 3000K CREE COB LED lights. So that is a circuit on board LED light. They're a little bit different, more high powered, less watts for the same brightness sort of thing. And I'm really excited to get this guy going. So you can see the COB lights there. It has ultraviolet light, it has UV light, and it is full spectrum. So it has a large array of LEDs in this unit, which I'm really excited about. Rated for a 5x5 grow space, which is exactly what I have, or what I'm going to put it in. That's the grow space I'm going to be using. Comes with a really nice hanging kit. Really superior to anything I've seen in a similar sort of style. Usually there's sort of uncoated airplane wire. So it's got a nice thick coating on, much heavier gauge wire. Nice carabiner at the top, because the light is fairly substantial. It's a good heavy light, and yeah, so that's where I'm at with it right now. Just got it unboxed. Let's turn it on together and make sure it works here. So this is going to be bright for everybody involved. Turn it on down there, and we're just gonna have a peek. Whoa, there it is. So I'm gonna just look at it through the camera lens as well, see what I can see here. So you can see the COBs, and then the infrared are going to be a little bit dimmer. That's normal. Don't know what kind of light this is going to produce. It's really quite crisp. It's the 3000K COB lights there really do lighten it up, sort of thing. So it's not hard on the eyes. It looks a tiny bit pink on camera, but it's a really crisp light. So I'm excited to see what it does downstairs. So let's get this thing set up, and I'll show it to you in action. Okay, so we are back for part 2 here, and so it was easy to set up and looks really good up there. I will say right first off, on camera it does have a little pinky tinge to it, but honestly it looks, with just eyes, it just looks like a really crisp light. So I noticed on camera anything white kind of reflects off of it. Anything green seems to be okay. But yeah, so I want to thank Growstar again for this light here. Really awesome. I'm going to put a link in the description below to the product on Amazon, and you can go check it out from there. But now let's go in, and I did do a little bit of testing ahead of time. It's been about a week. Plants have reacted very nicely. No signs of, distress or anything like that. The testing definitely blew the previous lights out of the water here. So I have this hanging. This is just how I measure. It only stays up briefly while I'm doing measures, but it allows me to see how far away things are from the light. And so over here we set a new record on the shelf of 1100 foot candles. It's off to the side, and over here I think we set a new record too at 35 inches away, 900 foot candles. Way down here, because it sticks out more, at 48 inches we have 1100 foot candles of light, because it's actually out a little bit more. So I want to grab the meter there, because I don't have it with me, because right under the light was just mind-blowing. It was so bright. So if you have anything directly below it, it's just huge. So let's see if we can get this all in one hand here. At 30 inches away, directly into the light, it gives off 2,200 foot candles. If I go to 29 inches, we got 2,500 foot candles. So pretty amazing. And I'm just grabbing my par meter here as well. The par meter took a hit a little while back, and one of the numbers is kind of shady on it. But the par, I tested par everywhere, and it is basically right on with what the website says, what Amazon says. So at 30 inches, we have about 450. And at 24 inches, we have about 650, something like that. But I did detailed measures and then just went on Amazon and checked out. They have a chart there. I'll throw it up now so you can see the measures. And yeah, they're pretty much spot on with everything. Plants themselves done really well. Haven't seen any issues with it at all. Bottom shells are nice and bright. Everything is really nice with this light. So looks good up there. Let me just reach back here, do the reach around to turn it off, and there it is. So yeah, it is a beautiful thing, and I'm really quite happy with it. Nice and powerful, just amazing light. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.